Hello po sa inyong lahat. Mag-share lang ko ba? Especially those who are new drivers. Kasi ang mga old drivers is mga gahi na gulo, mga hard-headed na. If you're a new driver, you have to think. For example, it stated 50 miles per hour. It really stated in the manual, driver's manual, that 50 miles per hour every 10 miles. You have to keep distance while driving one car. For example, if it's stated 50, meaning it's 5 cars, you have to keep distance 5 cars. You have to think it should be 5 cars because in case of emergency, like for example today, I hate to tell you that I just talked about this morning, about the deer. I almost hit a deer on my way to work here at the hospital because the deer is coming from left to the right, and then I'm in the right lane. Then this driver at the back, she's like tailgating, or I mean, she is really too close to me. And I started hitting my brake. Why? Because there is a deer in front of me that I don't want to hit, and I don't want that I can get an accident. Now I almost hit the deer, and then since I tried to slow down, I about to be rear-ended. Or how do you call that? Malapit akong sa likuran because she's about to hit my back, the back of my car, because she's too close to me. It's 55 miles per hour, meaning you should make sure that you are 5 to 6 cars distance from the cars in front of you. In case of emergency, you can stop right away your vehicle so that you will not cause an accident. That is really crazy. That's why I'm trying to share everybody that if you're a new driver or old driver, think about it. You're studying the lesson before you took the exam. You got a road test. You have to think that every 10 miles per hour, it's one car. So since it's 55 miles per hour, for you to be safe and somebody, you should be a defensive driver. You should keep distance. Since it's 55, it should be 6 cars. You have to think it's 6 cars from the front of you. That's the distance you need to drive. Don't tailgating with somebody because you're going to get an accident. It will cause an accident. Instead that both of you will be safe, the one in front of you, the one at the back of you. It's just aggravating that I almost hit the deer, which is the deer is overpopulated, I think, here in Illinois, because you can see deer everywhere and it causes an accident most of the time. And I don't know why we are so strict about this deer hunting or everything. But you know, I think we need also do something for this deer because it may cause a lot of accidents in the highway or anywhere. And then plus the people are driving like, why are you not studying your lesson before you took the exam, your computer exam and your road test? Don't they teach you what you're going to do that? But I'm sure they do. I'm sure that manual, if you're reading it, it will be good for you. Okay? Next time, do something right. Bye-bye. Mad.